Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add pattern to data point of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add pattern to data field. Firstly, go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option and insert a chart. Then click the data point of this chart, then click right button on our mouse. Then go to Format Data Series. Then select the fill color option and select pattern fill. Then apply any pattern fill of this drop down menu. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.